In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate PayPal with your Stripe account to enhance your business's payment options. This guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring that you can accomplish this task with ease and confidence. Let's start by heading over to your Stripe account. Now, if you're not already acquainted with Stripe, it's an online payment processing system for internet businesses. Millions of companies, from startups to Fortune 500s, use Stripe software and APIs to accept payments, send payouts, and manage their businesses online. So, if you're aiming to integrate different payment methods, Stripe is a fantastic choice. Once you've accessed your Stripe account, look towards the bottom of the left-hand side menu where you'll find the Settings option. Go ahead and click on that. This area is your central hub for all configurations related to your Stripe account, so it's worth getting familiar with all the options available here. Next, we need to navigate to the Payments section in the settings. Clicking here brings up a variety of payment options and methods that you can configure. This page is essential for managing how your business can handle transactions. Within this section, you'll see an option titled Payment Methods. Click on this to move forward. Now that you're on the Payment Methods page, take a moment to look through the various ways you can accept payments. PayPal, a popular service known for its secure and user-friendly online transactions, should be listed here. It's a worthy addition to your payment arsenal because it accounts for a considerable portion of online purchases globally. Spot the PayPal option, and beside it, you'll find the Turn On button. This is your pathway to enabling PayPal. A simple click here will initiate the connection process. Following your click, PayPal's interface may prompt you with some additional authorization steps to finalize the connection with Stripe. It's generally straightforward, but ensure you have your PayPal login credentials handy just in case. Once these steps are complete, PayPal will be successfully linked to your Stripe account, allowing you to accept payments via PayPal seamlessly. And just like that, you're done. You've now added PayPal as a payment method on Stripe, expanding the ways your customers can pay you. This expansion can potentially increase sales and improve customer satisfaction by offering them more flexibility at checkout. Before wrapping up, it's good practice to test the new payment option by making a small transaction. This test confirms everything is connected and functioning as expected. Should you encounter any issues during this process, both Stripe and PayPal offer extensive support resources and communities that can assist in troubleshooting. There you have it. You've successfully integrated PayPal with Stripe, paving the way for smoother and more varied transaction capabilities. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore more tutorials for other useful tips and tricks.